بسم الله الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. Many times we have done Alhamdulillah. So let's come to the lesson. Introduction. Alhamdulillah. Example of a mosquito. Example of a mosquito linked with previous verses. In the previous verses, Allah talked about the end of those who reject Quran. Now he says that such people raise questions before even thinking about it properly. Okay, let's recite. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
إن الله لا يستحيي أن يضرب مثلا ما بعوضة فما فوقها.
إن الله لا يستحي أن يضرب مثلا ما بعوضة فما فوقها.
فأما الذين آمنوا فيعلمون أنه الحق من ربهم.
فأما الذين آمنوا فيعلمون أن الحق من ربهم.
وأما الذين كفروا فيقولون ماذا أراد الله بهذا مثلا.
وأما الذين كفروا فيقولون ماذا أراد الله بهذا.
Do mad here. ماذا أراد الله بهذا مثلا.
ما جرد الله بهذا المثل.
يضل به كثيرا ويهدي به كثيرا.
يضل به كثيرا ويهدي به كثيرا.
وما يضل به إلا الفاسقين.
وما يضل به إلا الفاسقين.
صدق الله العظيم. Allah gives examples to help us understand. Believers know it is haqq from Allah. Only disobedient people get lost. How is the Quran is? You know it, mashallah. Yeah, we have done many times. So let's do the translation word for word. Inna Allah, indeed Allah. Inna Allah, indeed Allah. La yastahi is not ashamed. La yastahi is not ashamed.
It's not ashamed.
An yadriba mathalan ma, to present any example. A mosquito, ba'udatan fama fawqaha, a mosquito or anything about it. An yadriba, to, and that, and to, second meaning that. Yadriba, present, to give.
To present.
Yeah.
Masalam.
Yeah, to present and to give. Present an example, to give an example. Mathalan ma, example. Ma, any.
Ma, any.
Ba'udatan, mosquito. You know it well, mosquito. Fama fawqaha, avoid. Fa'amma, then is for. Fa'amma, then is for. Is for then. Fa'amma, fa is for. Amma, then. Fa, then. Sorry. Fa means then. Amma is for. Wa amma and is for. Wa and amma is for. So is then is for. Alladhina. Alladhina, those who believe. Amanu. Alladhina amanu, those who believe. فَيَعْلَمُونَ, thus they know. Fa means thus. Fa means, you remember, then, thus, so. أَنَّهُ الْحَقُّ. Yeah, we have learned it in the first course. Understand Al-Quran the easy way. أَنَّهُ الْحَقُّ, that it is the truth. مِنْ رَبِّهِمْ, from their Lord. From their Lord. وَأَمَّا الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا فَيَقُولُونَ, وَأَمَّا and is for. الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا, those who disbelieve. Those who disbelieve. فَيَقُولُونَ, thus they say. فَيَقُولُونَ, thus they say. مَاذَا أَرَادَ اللَّهُ, what did Allah intend? What did Allah intend? When you talk about two groups, so first group, فَأَمَّا الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا, fa. First group is for then. وَأَمَّا الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا, fa. Second group is for and. Is for and. I mean, then is for and is for. So first فَأَمَّا, then وَأَمَّا. وَأَمَّا الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا, فَأَمَّا الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا, فَأَمَّا الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا. So first فَأَمَّا الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا فَيَقُولُوا فَأَمَّا الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا فَأَمَّا الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا فَأَمَّا الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا فَيَعْلَمُونَ أَنَّهُ الْحَقُّ مِنْ رَبِّهِمْ, then وَأَمَّا الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا فَيَقُولُونَ مَاذَا أَرَادَ اللَّهُ. فَيَقُولُونَ, thus they say, مَاذَا أَرَادَ اللَّهُ, what did Allah intend? بِهَذَا مَثَلًا, بِهَذَا, by this. مَثَلًا is an example. مَثَلًا is an example. يُضِلُّ بِهِ كَثِيرًا, يُضِلُّ, he misleads. بِهِ, thereby. كَثِيرًا, many. كَثِيرًا, many. وَيَهْدِي بِهِ كَثِيرًا, and guides thereby. كَثِيرًا, many. He misleads thereby many and guides thereby many. وَمَا يُضِلُّ بِهِ إِلَّا الْفَاسِقِينَ. I mean, this is to make us understood that what is يُضِلُّ بِهِ كَثِيرًا وَيَهْدِي بِهِ كَثِيرًا. Allah misleads many people. So is that Allah? Really? He misleads the people by the Quran? No, no, no. The truth is, like, Allah wants us to make understood. I mean, Allah want to make us understood that, oh people, just know, if you gonna act upon the commands of Allah Almighty, if you just implement the Mus'haf, if you just act upon the if you just know the fundamentals, and you know how to live according to the Sunnah, according to the Sharia, according to the Islamic law, and you are not living like the way you should live, it makes sense that you doesn't believe, not at all. I mean, if you believe, so you have to live like the way you should, and like the way Islam teaches you to live. But if you just say, oh, La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah, and you never ponder, never implement, never try to propagate, and this is just a saying.
Simple.
La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah, but no, we have to do what we want, we have to eat what we want, we have to live like we want to live. So it's not La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. If you say La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah, it means you have to fulfill Allah's will, not your will.
Yes.
So your will should be just according to do Allah's will.
Yes.
Our life, we should live according to the Sharia, according the law Allah has sent for us. So now just let's understand this ayah, this part of the ayah. Yudillu bihi kathira, like the people know about the Quran, know about the fundamentals, know about the commands of Allah Almighty, and they know what Allah wants us to do, and they are not doing, they are not acting upon. So it means like yudillu bihi kathira, they are misleaded by this one because they have gone against. Okay, وَيَهْدِي بِهِ كَثِيرًا, and if they know and they act upon, so like they are guided by the Quran because they are acting upon, mashallah. وَيَهْدِي بِهِ كَثِيرًا. Otherwise, if on the other hand, if we say, and if we just go through, we think that Quran is the book of guidance. ذَلِكَ الْكِتَابِ لَا رَيْبَ فِيهِ Hudan lil muttaqin. Hudan, guidance. So this is the book of guidance for the people who search the guidance, who wants to get guidance, who want to be guided. Now Allah just announced that وَمَا يُضِلُّ بِهِ إِلَّا الْفَاسِقِينَ. The believers are not going to be misled by the Mus'haf. Who will be misled? And who who has gone away? وَمَا يُضِلُّ بِهِ, and he does not mislead bihi by it, except al-fasiqeen, the defiantly disobedient. Because he knows, but he is not doing what he should do. You got it clearly? What does it mean? Yudillu bihi kathira wa yahdi bihi kathira.
Yudillu bihi kathira wa ma yahdi bihi kathira.
Yeah, wa yahdi bihi kathira. You got it?
Yudillu bihi mislead. Yes. Yudillu bihi mislead. Thereby kathira, many, yahdi bihi, and guiding thereby kathira, many. وَمَا يُضِلُّ بِهِ إِلَى الْفَاسِقِينَ. And he does not mislead by it except the differently disobedient.
Differently disobedient. Clear?
Clear.
Let's move ahead. So by the way, mosquito has a complete flight system. Nanotech is copying it. And context justifies the example. Yes. Allah gave examples of bee, spider, etc. So he is not ashamed. Believers know that it is the truth from their Rabb because Allah does not give example without any purpose. He has a purpose. The disbelievers raise objections without listening properly and thinking over the example properly. They are not going to listen it to properly, and they are not thinking about, but they have to raise an objection. If they had pondered the example, they would have surely good guidance from it. Yes. Fasiq, fasiqeen. The one disobeys Allah defiantly. More details are given in the next ayah. Oh, it's gonna become, inshallah, it will be later on. That is why you see so many non-Muslim scientists and doctors, or even among Muslims who look at the sign of Allah but are not guided towards Allah. Why? This is just because of fisk. Lack of hidayah can be attached to the degree of fisk. So we have done it, alhamdulillah. La yastahi, now you have to translate la yastahi. A, he is not ashamed, you are not ashamed, they are not ashamed, we are not ashamed. La yastahi.
He is not ashamed.
Perfect, mashallah. Okay, fawqaha, above them, above it, above you, under them.
Fawqaha, about it.
Okay, about it. Perfect, mashallah. Faya'lamuna, faya'lamuna. Thus he knows, they know, they know, they knew, thus they know. Which one is correct? And I mean, which one you gonna just choose?
Those they know.
Thus they know.
Yes.
MashaAllah. Thus they know. Okay. Mir Rabbihim. A, B, C, D.
From their Lord.
From their Lord. Perfect. MashaAllah. Allah give example of camel, cockroach, frogs, mosquito.
Mosquito.
Perfect answer. Alhamdulillah. So we have done the translation. Question. In this ayah mentioning mosquito, Allah talks about two groups. Believers and disbelievers. Munafiqeen and disbelievers. Believers and munafiqeen. And Jews and Christians. You have to pick up the answer. I mean, you have to choose two groups. There are believers or disbelievers or any other.
Believer.
Yes.
With disbeliever.
Perfect, mashallah. A, yes. Allah gives examples to help us. You can select more than one. Ponder on them, visualize them, understand them, receive admonition from them.
Ponder on them.
Okay.
Facilitate them.
Okay.
On the rocks.
Yeah, understand them.
Understand them. Receive admission from them. Choose one or two.
You can select more than one. You can select all, you can select two, you can select 3, 1, or 4.
Yeah, it's A, B, C, D. A, B, C.
All?
It's like everything.
MashaAllah, yes, everyone, every out of them. Okay, let's do the translation. Indeed, Allah is not ashamed to set forth an example, even a mosquito or anything above it, bigger or smaller, than is for those who believe. They know that it is the truth from their Lord, but those who disbelieve say, what did Allah intend by such an example? He lets go astray many by it and guides many by it, and he does not let go astray by it except the defiantly disobedient. Lesson, dua and plan. Oh, we have done it, alhamdulillah, already. So, oh Allah, now read after me. Allahumma habbib ilayna al-imana
حبيبي إلينا الإيمان
وزينه في قلوبنا
وزينهم في قلوبنا
وكره إلينا الكفر
وكره إلينا الكفر
والفسوق والعصيان
والعصيان
واجعلنا من الراشدين.
جعلنا من الراشدين.
O Allah, endear to us the faith and make it pleasing in our hearts, and make hateful to us disbelief, defiance, and disobedience, and make us among the rightly guided. A simple plan, inshallah. I will always try to ponder the examples given by Allah.
I will always try to be.
Yes.
Inshallah.
Inshallah. Okay, asma, some of them nouns. Masal, plural is amthal. I mean, masal is wahid. Masal, singular, wahid. Plural means jama. Jama'uhu, his jama. I mean, the jama of wahid. Yeah, jama'ul wahid is amthal. Rab, wahid, jama', arbab. Fasiq, wahid. And fasiqun, fasiqin, jama'. Now verbs, sound verbs. Daraba, yadribu. Say after me. Daraba, yadribu. Yeah. Okay, with me. Idrib. Darib. Maghrub. Darb. Alima, ya'lamu.
Alima, ya'lamu.
Sami'a, yasma'u. Okay. I'lam.
Ya'lam.
Alim.
Alim.
Ma'lum.
Ma'lum.
Ilm.
Ilm.
Kafara, yakfuru.
Kafara, yakfur.
The pattern is nasara yansuru.
Ukfur. Ukfur.
Kafir.
Kafir.
Makfur.
Makfur.
Kufr. Fasaqa, yafsuqu, ufsuq. This is connection issue, I think. So, fasaqa, yafsuqu, ufsuq, fasiq, fisq.
Yafsuqu, uqsuqu, fasiqu,
Fisq. Yes. Now, weak verbs. Qala, yaqulu, qul.
Ala, yaqulu, qul.
Qa'il, maqul, qal.
Qa'il, maqul, qal.
Hada,
Hada,
yahdi,
yahdi,
ihdi,
ihdi.
hadi,
Hadi,
mahdi,
mahdi.
hudan, hidayah.
Huda,
Two words.
hidayah.
Hudan, hidayah.
Huda,
Okay.
hidayah.
فعل مضارع of fasaqa are fasaqa.
Fasaqa.
فعل مضارع. Yes.
Yafsaq.
من فعل مضارع of fasaqa is يفسق. It should be is, not are. فعل أمر of قال is فعل أمر.
Hala, qul.
Perfect. قل. Singular of أمثال is
Masalam, masala.
مثلا. Okay, mashallah. Alhamdulillah, so we have done the lesson. Let's say, may Allah help us to recite, understand, ponder, implement, propagate, and memorize the Quran. In Ya Rabb. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك نشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت نستغفرك ونتوب إليك.